Hi guys, I hope you're all doing well. Today we'll be going through how to utilize Schedule Planner, which is located on your CampusNet.
It's located right under the Student tab. Right here it says Schedule Planner. This is kind of newer to Cleveland State's CampusNet, so maybe some of you have used it, maybe some of you haven't. Clicking on this tab right here, Schedule Planner opens to this page right here. So really what this is to give you, the student, more control over your schedule. So to show you how this works, as you can see right here, it says the term that's selected, which is summer. I want to change that to show you how this program works. So I'm going to switch it to fall and hit save. So I already went in and added these classes, but let me show you how I did that. So add course. All I did was go here, find accounting, find 221, add course. It's already been selected, so that's why that popped up. But same thing with the rest of them. So if I needed like this finance 351 class, I would go click on finance and then click on 351, hit add course, and it will show up on the right hand side right here. So because I already added these, I'm going to hit done. And what this pretty much says right here is I can generate schedules. So based on these 5 classes, what this will do is take every single time and day that the class is available and make different schedules that I can compare to each other, which one I'd rather have. Now, here's a really cool thing. So if you, let's say, work a job on Tuesdays and Thursdays, let's say you work 9 to 3, you can go here and say add break, and you can title it whatever you want. So we'll just title it job, and you can to 3 o'clock in the afternoon on Tuesdays and Thursdays. So this is telling Schedule Planner that this is the times that you cannot have any classes. So with that being said, right here this is selected, all these are selected, so we're going to hit generate schedules. Now down here you can see that you have over 20 schedules generated between these 5 classes. Now, this can kind of become a little overwhelming, I understand. Right here it says it's generated 472 schedules. That is a lot to look at. So what you can do is go through and it gives you this select 2 schedules to compare a side-by-side option. So what that means is you can click on schedule and the schedule and then hit compare. Now this window pops down and this shows you the difference. So for example, it tells you what the classes are too as you highlight them. So for example, the green is accounting 221, you'd be taking it from 9:10 to 10, whereas on this second schedule, you'd be taking accounting from 10:15 to 11:05. And here is your job. So from 9 to 3, it made sure not to schedule you any Tuesday, Thursday classes between 9 and 3. So for example, these are just 2 of the options. Now you can make this even more specific. Let's say a break, you did not want to have any night classes, so you could call it night. Going here, you could say, you know what, starting at 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. every day of the week, I don't want to have any classes, Monday through Friday. You can hit add break, and now you can hit generate schedules again, and now you see there's only 74 schedules that the system has generated. So let's compare 1 and 2 again. And here you'll see the purple is every break that you have. So you will have no night classes. You will only have daytime classes on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday on both of these schedules. The only difference is what class at what time. And that is how Schedule Planner works. It's a really nice tool to go and play around in, see what different schedules it generates for you and see what works best for you. You can add courses, you can take courses out, you can add breaks, take breaks out. It really is personalized just for you.
I hope you've enjoyed this and found it very informative, and I hope you all continue to stay healthy and well.